Mulani Training School, South Africa, +277 315 82436. Training and Skills Development Thai Limited License Renewal or Refresher Course Heavy Machines Training Courses College, the School of Heavy Machinery Training and Welding courses which take a short period of time at affordable prices. These equipment are used in the following fields below. Industrial and Arbor Equipment Training Course Academy, Mobile Crane, Tower Crane, Overhead Crane, Truck Mounted Crane, Rigging, Reach Stacker, Forklift, Reach Truck, Telescopic Boom Handler, Construction Machines Training Institute, TLB, Excavator, Tipper Truck, Payloader, Mining and Quarries Equipment Training Course, Drill Rig, LHD Scoop, Bulldozer, Road Making Equipment Training Course, Grader, Roller, Bobcat Welder course, Boilermaker, Colorado to Welding or MIG Welding, Argon Welding or TIG Welding, Double Coated Welding, Arc Welding or Stick Welding, Aluminum Welding or Steel Welding, Flux Core Welding. Short courses: Occupational Health and Safety, Plumbing, Hazchem, Pipe Fitting, Electrical Installation, Fitting and Turning, Panel Beating, Scaffolding, Bricklaying, First Aid 1 to 2, Firefighting 1 to 2, Diesel Mechanics, Capentry, Superlink Driver Course, Fax, CCTV. Call us +27 73 1582 436 for booking.